what's going on, guys? Today I got my car up on the lift, and I've seen this posted a lot on all of the Facebook groups and everything, and it's about the radiator unclipping from the clip that it's in and falling into the accessory belt and rubbing through the coolant temp sensor housing. It's causing a lot of issues. You lose all your coolant and you end up having to go to a dealership trip, or if you're like me, you just find the hose part number and replace everything at your house in about 20 minutes and be back on the road instead of having to wait. There is a way to prevent this from happening, and I'm going to show you how to do that. It is the radiator zip tie fix. Alright guys, so I have my car up on the lift. You can do this with jack and jack stands, it does not matter. You just need to be able to get under the front of the vehicle. And I've actually already done this fix. I did this fix a couple months back when I first had the issue, and I was on my way down to Chicago to get my car ceramic coated, and I kept having the radiator unclip. Before the actual trip itself, I ended up having the issue happen already. So I went and was able to find the part number, buy the hose, replace the hose in my garage, and was on my way in about 20 minutes. But I still had the issue of the radiator unclipping from the top. My vehicle is lowered. That shouldn't make a difference, but it does cause a little bit more harshness on everything. I also live in Michigan, so my roads here are garbage. Basically, what you're gonna do is you're gonna get up under here, and you're going to remove all the bolts that bolt up this undershield, okay? So you remove this bolt, this bolt, this bolt, this bolt, this bolt here, and as well as other side here, 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 and then one bolt here and another bolt here, if I didn't already say that one. But once you remove those bolts, which I'm gonna do here in a moment, I will show you what to do next. Okay, so I got myself a T25, and I'm just gonna start removing the bolts. Why would I do that with hand tools when I have power tools? All right, looks like... All right, so now that you have that removed, everything will be super dirty like this from all the coolant splattering around probably. So now that you have that removed, as you can tell, I have zip ties all along here. And you don't really need one on this side because this side actually has a bolt and a clip. This side does not. So what you are going to do, and yes, I use white zip ties, that's all I had at the time, but they've been working okay and I don't feel like touching them. But what you're going to do is you're going to take a drill and you're going to drill from here up into here. So basically this part here is flat and there's nothing on the back side of this. So just also be careful because you are drilling by your radiator and your fan shroud and all that, so just don't puncture your radiator. But you're pretty much going to drill a hole straight through from here to the radiator fan shroud, and I just did a couple down the line. You can pretty much, if you want, just do like 2 or 3 over here, but I decided to go a little overkill. And you're just literally going to loop one zip tie through it, here, 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 whatever, and clip your zip tie ends, and that's about it. I will note that when you do that, the shield is not going to fit correctly anymore. So you're gonna take some cutters and you're gonna clip away around where the zip ties are sitting, so it doesn't look like you really did it much, but you just kind of clip away here. You can pretty much cut, and then snap it off. And I just did that along the line of wherever a zip tie was, and that will make the shield fit again. All right, but that's it, guys. That's how you fix the radiator on your MK8 Golf GTI. This really shouldn't be a thing. Why it came off the assembly line like this, parts are thrown together, whatever you want to call it, but this really shouldn't be a thing. Volkswagen should come out with an official fix for this, and that's what I think. Do this before you have to spend more money, take your car to the dealership, whatever, be without your car for a long amount of time. This, like I said, has lasted me multiple trips. It's lasted me a bunch of driving and everything. So also, if you guys like detailing your cars, polishing them, whatever, go check out the link below. Detailed image, get 10% off on me. Usually there's already a bunch of sales going on. You can also use the coupon code on top of the sales, so get even more money off your car. They have just about everything there, and you can make your cars look pretty and nice like mine. So if you like this video and you would like to subscribe for more mediocre content such as this, please do, and take care.